All right, so to get started, we need to make our new project folder for our cartoon music video. So to do that, we're going to open up our project files folder on our desktop, and then we're going to copy and paste our template, and then we're going to go ahead and rename this. Oh, get rid of the plus, and then we'll call this O2, or yours will be O3, or whatever is the highest one right now on or in that folder. And then we can go ahead and change this to cartoon underscore music underscore video. And then now when we open that up, we'll want to change all of these project names to also our cartoon music video. Be sure that you're keeping the end where it says working files, media files, final exports, because that's where all that stuff's going to go. This is really important, so be sure that you rename all of those as well before you start putting your converted files into there. So we'll knock this out really quick. Cartoon underscore music underscore video underscore project, or sorry, working underscore files, cartoon underscore music underscore video media files, and then our last one here is going to be our cartoon underscore music underscore video, and then this is going to be our final export folder. So you want to make sure that you have all these renamed. If you change the name of these, the computer's not going to be able to find it later, and it's going to be really, really hard. So this is the unglamorous side of all this, but it's super, super important. Now, once you renamed all your files, we can now start looking for all of our media. So I chose the song Robbery for my example here. So you can choose any music or song that you want. Just be sure you're trying to find the clean version. And then if you are unable to find a clean version, then you're going to have to bleep out all the words in your final edit. So just to save you some time from having to do that, be sure that you have a clean version. And then for your cartoon, you're going to pick one character from one animation. So don't try and find clips from different characters unless you have two people in your song. So like let's say you have Polo G and Lil Durk on an album, then you can find two characters from the same animation. So for example, it would be like it could be Chucky and Tommy from the Rugrats to be your two main vocalists. And then for the example that I'm doing, I did the Rugrats and I'm going to do Chucky. Since this song is about heartbreak, I am looking for all of the videos I can find of not just Chucky talking, but any other songs that might fit the lyrics. So in this one, Chucky's kind of in love with this girl, and he finds out that she's bullying somebody else and not bullying him, and he gets all sad about it and runs away. So it kind of fits the lyrics. So see if you can find images that also go along with the lyrics that you're talking about, to kind of help enforce like the cartoon character is the singer. Okay, I've found quite a few clips here. 5 is where I'm going to recommend that you start. So I have at least 5 minutes of footage that I can then cut and then use into my video. And we're going to download these just like we did with our other found footage that we've looked for. So we're going to use this converter here. And then again, you just copy your link and then paste it here. For your song, you don't need the video, so you only need the audio. So for your song, you can download it as an MP3, but for all of your actual video footage, you want to download it as an MP4. And then you'll click that convert, and then we can click download. Again, remember, it's going to bring up an ad. You can close that out. Click download again. Close out your ad blocker again. If it pops up like this, that's totally fine. We can click this little kebab over here and then click download if it doesn't automatically do that. So it might take you a couple tries to get this to happen, but that's okay. Don't click on any of the ad blocker stuff, just close it out and then re-click it. From here, before we just drag and drop this over here on our desktop like a psychopath, let's open up our project files. Then we're going to open up our cartoon music video project, and we're going to save this in the video section. So video files here, so cartoon music video media files. Then we're going to save it in one for our video files. Then, so if you're going to save all of your video files in the video folder, guess where your music MP3 is going to go? That's right, your audio folder here. So you're going to drag all of your MP4s, all the videos that you're going to download, you're going to drag and drop them into your cartoon music video media files video folder, and then when you do that song in an MP3, you're going to save that in the audio. We're going to use Adobe Premiere, so if this isn't set up, then it's not, the computer won't be able to find your files for you later, okay? So that's how we're going to get started. I would say try and find at least 5 minutes worth of cartoon clip footage, so then that way you can chop that up for the next set of the next step here.